Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bitcoin Lightning Network on Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is verified and funded. The Lightning Network offers near-instant transactions and significantly lower fees compared to the main Bitcoin blockchain. This makes it ideal for smaller, frequent payments. We'll cover everything from setting up to completing your first transaction, making it easy to understand and implement. To deposit Bitcoin using Lightning, open your Binance app or website and go to your spot wallet. Select Bitcoin and then choose Deposit. You'll see an option for the Lightning Network. Click on it, enter the amount you wish to deposit, and a unique Lightning invoice will be generated. Copy this invoice and paste it into your external Lightning wallet to complete the transfer. It's a very efficient process. Withdrawing Bitcoin via Lightning is just as straightforward. From your Binance Spot wallet, select Bitcoin and then Withdraw. Again, choose the Lightning Network option. You'll need a Lightning invoice from your receiving wallet or service. Paste that invoice into the designated field on Binance. Review the transaction details carefully and confirm. Your Bitcoin should arrive in your external wallet almost instantly, typically within seconds. The Lightning Network offers incredible advantages, primarily its speed and cost-effectiveness. Transactions often confirm in less than 1 second, and fees can be as low as a fraction of a cent. For optimal use, always verify the invoice amount and recipient before confirming. It's perfect for micropayments and quick transfers, making your Bitcoin more liquid and accessible for everyday use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.